Welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your go-to channel for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and groundbreaking news. Today, we've got some exciting insights to share about XRP. Strap in, because we're diving deep into the factors that could potentially drive the price of XRP to an astonishing $10,000. Recently, the CEO of a prominent cryptocurrency firm revealed some compelling factors that could propel XRP to unprecedented heights. But before we delve into those details, let's take a moment to understand what XRP is all about. XRP is a digital asset native to the XRP ledger, which is an open-source blockchain platform. Created by Ripple Labs, XRP aims to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are mined, XRP was pre-mined, with a fixed total supply of 100 billion tokens. Now, let's talk about what could potentially drive XRP's price to $10,000. According to the CEO, there are several key factors at play here. First and foremost is adoption. As more financial institutions and banks embrace XRP for cross-border payments and remittances, the demand for XRP is expected to skyrocket. With its lightning-fast transaction speed and low fees, XRP offers a compelling solution to the inefficiencies of traditional payment systems. Another crucial factor is regulatory clarity. The CEO emphasized the importance of clear and favorable regulations for cryptocurrencies like XRP. Regulatory uncertainty has been a major obstacle for XRP in the past, but recent developments suggest that the regulatory landscape is becoming more favorable. With increased regulatory clarity, institutional investors may feel more confident in investing in XRP, driving up demand and ultimately, the price. Macroeconomic factors could also play a significant role in driving XRP's price to new heights. With governments around the world printing money at unprecedented rates and inflation on the rise, investors are increasingly turning to alternative assets like cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. As a deflationary asset with a fixed supply, XRP could emerge as a preferred store of value in times of economic uncertainty, driving up demand and pushing the price higher. The technological advancements within the XRP ecosystem represent a cornerstone in the potential journey towards a higher XRP price. Ripple Labs, the pioneering force behind XRP, remains committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation and developing transformative solutions to enhance the scalability and functionality of the XRP ledger. At the forefront of these developments are initiatives aimed at expanding the capabilities of the XRP ledger, thus opening up new horizons for the adoption and utilization of XRP. One such initiative is the implementation of federated sidechains on the XRP ledger. Federated sidechains are a novel concept that allows for the creation of parallel blockchains that operate alongside the main XRP ledger while still benefiting from its security and efficiency. These sidechains enable developers to experiment with new features and functionalities without impacting the stability or integrity of the main XRP ledger. By providing a sandbox environment for innovation, federated sidechains encourage the exploration of novel use cases and applications, thereby expanding the utility and value proposition of XRP. In addition to federated sidechains, another significant advancement within the XRP ecosystem is the integration of smart contract functionality. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. By enabling smart contract functionality on the XRP ledger, Ripple Labs aims to unlock a wide range of decentralized applications, dApps, and financial instruments that leverage the security and efficiency of XRP. These smart contracts can facilitate a variety of use cases, including decentralized finance, DeFi, tokenization, and automated escrow services, among others. Ripple Labs is actively exploring other avenues for enhancing the scalability and functionality of the XRP ledger. One area of focus is interoperability, which refers to the ability of different blockchain networks to communicate and interact with each other seamlessly. By fostering interoperability between the XRP ledger and other blockchain platforms, Ripple Labs aims to expand the reach and utility of XRP, making it more accessible and interoperable with a broader ecosystem of decentralized applications and networks. In addition to its technological advancements, Ripple Labs is deeply committed to investing in research and development efforts aimed at enhancing the security and decentralization of the XRP ledger. Recognizing the importance of a robust and resilient blockchain infrastructure, Ripple Labs has established initiatives such as the XRP Ledger Foundation and the XRP Community Fund to foster collaboration and innovation within the XRP ecosystem. The XRP Ledger Foundation serves as a centralized hub for research and development activities focused on improving the security, scalability, and sustainability of the XRP ledger. led by a team of seasoned blockchain experts and supported by a diverse community of developers and researchers. The foundation spearheads initiatives aimed at strengthening the underlying technology of the XRP ledger while ensuring its adherence to the principles of decentralization and open access. Furthermore, Ripple Labs collaborates closely with the XRP Community Fund to support grassroots initiatives and projects that contribute to the growth and development of the XRP ecosystem. The XRP Community Fund provides funding, resources, and mentorship to promising startups, developers, and community-driven initiatives that seek to build innovative solutions and applications on top of the XRP ledger. By empowering grassroots innovation and entrepreneurship, the XRP Community Fund plays a vital role in nurturing a vibrant and diverse ecosystem around XRP. These collaborative efforts between Ripple Labs, developers, researchers, and community members are essential for addressing key challenges and driving innovation within the XRP ecosystem. By fostering an environment of collaboration, experimentation, and shared learning, Ripple Labs aims to accelerate the pace of innovation and ensure the long-term sustainability and viability of XRP as a decentralized digital asset. In conclusion, the CEO's insights shed light on the potential factors that could drive XRP's price to $10,000. From adoption and regulatory clarity to macroeconomic trends and technological advancements, there are several compelling reasons to be bullish on XRP's future. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable, and price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. As always, do your own research and invest wisely. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.